Hello everyone, welcome to HGTECH. HGTECH is a pioneer and leader in the application of laser industrialization in China, a world-leading provider of laser equipment and intelligent manufacturing solution, and a national key high-tech enterprise. Participating enterprise in the formulation of international standards in the laser industry, leading organization and undertaking enterprise in the formulation of national standards. The company originated from the laser professional class of Huazhong University of Science and Technology. It was formally established in 1997 and headquartered in China. Relying on 50 years of technology accumulation and more than 20 years of marketization, we comprehensively deploy laser intelligent equipment and automation production line and smart factory construction to provide overall solution in smart manufacturing. We adhere to the globalization strategy and have a comprehensive market service system overseas, with 9 overseas subsidiaries and more than 30 sales and service centers, which can provide professional and efficient service to global customers. Here is our research and development department, which have more than 700 labs to develop our machines. Here is one of our factories for laser marking machines. Let me show you just few things of what we have inside this factory. Here is where we manufacture the PCB machines. This is full afterline PCB machine. We also can make the machine, depends on the customer requirements. HGTECH is always here providing you the best solution. If you are looking for any laser solution or have any question, please contact us on the emails down in the description.